Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru.com. Welcome all of you today on 18th June 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to keep in your mind while trading in today's as well as in the next coming trading days. If you remember in our previous episodes, I have strongly put my views on metal and power sector, and I have mentioned that I am expecting profit booking in metal and power sector. And in the yesterday session, I have recommended Steel Authority of India, and it is today down by approximately 3%, and other metal sector stocks are also significantly down in today's as well as in the yesterday's session. I hope you enjoyed our recommendations. So, to get advanced analysis on stocks, commodities, and currencies, including agro commodities, you can contact for paid services. Our contact details are displaying on the screen as well as they are mentioned in the description. So, if we look at the global cues, in the yesterday session, Dow Jones were down by more than 0.5% and Nasdaq was up by approximately 0.87%. And also, if we look at the commodities market, then base metals and as well as the precious metals have shown significant profit booking in the yesterday's session, because of which today the metal sector is showing profit booking in the Indian markets. And if we look at the FIIs and DIIs data, then we can see that in the yesterday's session, FIIs were net sellers by approximately 900 crores and DIIs were net buyers marginally by around 45 crores. So from the last week onwards, I was mentioning in my episodes that I am bearish and expecting profit booking in metal and power stock, and similarly things can be seen during this week. Throughout the week, metal and power sector have shown significant downward movement and profit booking in the Indian as well as in the global markets. So now the big question is whether this profit booking is expected to continue in today's as well as in the next coming trading days, or these metal and power sector have made bottom at the current levels. So according to my analysis and calculation, I am expecting some bounce back in the metal sectors for the short term perspective for the intraday as well as for the 1 or 2 trading days. So if any big short positions are under your holding, then you can book your profit for the short term perspective. And also for the short term, you can keep your eyes on Steel Authority of India. You can see bounce back in Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL, from its lower levels. Currently, it is trading at around 124 rupees, and from these level, a slight bounce back is expected to be seen in Steel Authority of India. You can keep your stop loss at the level of 123.50, and for the short term, you can see the levels of 125 and 125.50. So that's all for the today's episode. You can join our Telegram channel also, whose link is mentioned in the description. So see you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.